Very good morning, students. Today is our topic of ancient Olympic Games, that is opening ceremony of the game. In this opening ceremony of the game, all players and their relatives assemble in the auditorium where Olympics are conducted. That used to be in Olympiad only, Olympic Valley only. And second, oath ceremony will take place. Who is supposed to be a good player in that region, he will come out and narrate the words of oath, and all will follow. Third ceremony will be a pig will be killed to offer the god Zeus Horikos. This sacrifice of pig will be there. After this ritual, all players come one by one. After sacrifice of pig, this ritual, all players will go out one by one out of auditorium. At that time there will be introduction of the players. Okay. During introduction of the players, if any objection by the spectator against any player, he was not allowed to participate. In previous our topic, rules of the ancient game, in that it was clearly written that a criminal or offended player is not allowed, and during that opening ceremony, any of the audience raise objection about any of the player, that is not allowed to participate. Same is here. If objection of spectator against any player during the introduction, and when he is leaving the auditorium out, that time any kind of case against this or public is raising voice against the player, then individual is not allowed to play. These Olympics, ancient Olympic, used to be, because of more number of games, used to be for 5 days. Duration of 5 days. But nowadays Olympic games are conducted about 12 to 13 days. Now first day, what they used to do, a religious function were performed. Religious activities used to be performed on first day. No any other game and sports. Second day, there will be march past, introduction of players, and activities of sports like chariot race, horse race, and pentathlon. What is pentathlon? Pentathlon word is comprises of many obstacles clearing together. Now you might have seen obstacle training in defense and all, standard obstacle, then field obstacles. You might have seen that army people and all with a rope and all jumping, some crawling over the rope, like this many obstacles are there. There are 3 type of obstacle in India. Standard obstacle, that have 10 obstacles. Field obstacle, they are having 15 obstacles. And pentathlon obstacles, there are 20 obstacles at present. In that ancient time, what kind of obstacles they used to keep? One athlete has to clear all the obstacles. And nowadays obstacle race is also there in our Olympic, that is hurdle race. See, 110 meter hurdles, 400 meter hurdles, it is obstacles only in your running. Same way pentathlon is also comprises of many obstacles, and after clearing all those obstacles, and you are reaching on the finishing line, that is pentathlon. Then third day, again rituals of sacrifice of animals. This वो लोग नॉन वेजिटेरियन होते थे, और ओलंपिक के बीच में एनिमल सेक्रीफाइस करना मतलब सबको नॉन वेजिटेरियन खिला देना. This was the main purpose, and they used to believe in the god, and also there may be sacrifice of animals. And after that there will be races, different type of race will be there, wrestling will be there, and boxing. All these items will be conducted that day. Morning there will be animal sacrifice, evening races, wrestling, and boxing. Fourth day, again athletic events, wrestling and boxing finals. So how many races and all finals are left, wrestling finals are left, boxing finals are left, that will be conducted on 4th day. And 5th day, there is no any other sports activity, only recreational activities will be there for the players and audience. Okay, this all conducted on the opening ceremony of the day. These were the things conducted during first day and 5 days of the work. Now next will be awards. What award is given during these Olympics? See, award was not the matter, and no importance is laid on the awards that time. Main purpose of that used to be, you can say, name and fame. People used to play for their names, or in some poets also return on the name of those, and songs are also narrated on the name of winners, and their statues are also made. Statues are made and placed there in that Olympiad. More attention was paid on honor only, not prize. Prize also used to be given, that is in form of food grains, animals, any kind of animals they are given, horses and all, elephants as a prize, and eatables. These were the main prizes, and another crown was given of olive leaves, made of oliver wheels or olive leaves. Olive leaves. You might have seen olive leaves when in 2012 Athens Olympic were conducted, and Rajyavardhan Singh got medal in shooting. There was a head crown with olive leaves. This they have followed a old tradition of ancient Olympic game, because Olympics started in that area, and those leaves are considered as a holy leaves, and that crown was given. So these were the related with the awards in ancient Olympic games, and some poems and phrases of winners were composed by the poets and all, and that will be remarked in the history. So men, by all this poem on the name of winner, or idols are made of winners, what it indicates? It indicates only their honor. Honor used to be given that time. So these were the related with the ancient Olympic Games awards. Today's lecture is over here. Thank you. And one more thing, whatever topic is suppose today this lecture is over, that is opening ceremony of the game, and what activities in the opening ceremony and all, and 5 days Olympic activities, and during awards what awards should be given. This note itself you make in your fair copy, so you need not to search for later that what homework I is supposed to do. So today's topic is over, and this note itself is a homework you write down in your fair copy. Thank you. Have a good day, good health.